Hey, John here with the SEO YouTube channel, and tonight I'm going camping. It's 7:30 the night before Father's Day, and I'm gonna take a quick camping trip, and we're gonna go out there and just have a night out, and we'll see how it goes. All right? Hi, Kenzie.
Go camping.
What?
Go camping.
You want to go camping?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Hey, John and Kenzie here, and tonight we're going camping. We're gonna go out and we're gonna have some fun, Kenny?
Yeah. I want to go camping.
You want to go camping? John, Kenzie, and Macy here, and tonight we're going camping, and we're gonna have so much fun. You want to sleep in a tent?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I want to go camping.
Woo. All right. We got John, we got Kenzie, we got Macy, we got Maddie. We're all going camping tonight. We're gonna have to
I want to go camping.
Hey, we got the whole crew. So that means we got to get the big tent, and we got to get it set up fast because it's going to be dark in 2 hours.
And I think we should play like a hide and seek.
Yeah.
When it gets
Are you guys ready?
dark. Yeah.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Well, I guess we won't be needing my tent. Oh boy! A little too heavy for you, May?
I got it for a little bit, but... Dad!
What, Kent?
Come on!
Camping?
Go camping!
All right. Okay, we're heading to the backyard because we're not going way out into the woods tonight on short notice. So, yeah, there's wood ticks in the woods.
I don't mind. So we're not gonna go to the woods.
There's a size difference.
Go camping.
You going camping?
No.
Girls are cleaning out the tent.
Got the shelf up.
Let's put in the storage loft on because the last time we used that tent is when we were camping out at my buddy's, and it got down to like 20 something degrees. So that following morning we just packed up quick and we got out of there. So we'll just give it a quick cleanup right now, and we'll get the rain fly on. All right, so I've had this tent for quite a few years. I bought it when I worked at a sporting goods store and got a discount on it. We first originally bought it when it was just the 4 of us, Denise and I, and these two. We drove down to Florida and we camped a few nights down in Tennessee at the Great Smoky Mountains. That was kind of the main reason that we had it. But here we go. It is the Eureka Copper Canyon 6-man. And you can tell from out here it's almost vertical on the sides. So I'm 6 foot, and I mean there's still a good 1.5 feet up there, so you can be pretty tall and you can enjoy this tent. Even on the corners you got pretty good head space. Lots of storage. You got 2 pockets up here, 2 pockets there. You got your gear loft. You got a spot to hang a lantern up there. And then down in the front corner, there's a zipper if you want to run power into it. Just got 1 main door, but each window, I mean, big picture windows. Really nice windows. You can really open it up and get some good air flow and ventilation through there. So it's been a great tent, and it's been a while since we've used it, so we're gonna put it to use tonight. What are you girls doing?
We're making a fire. Yeah, we're making fire.
You're making fire? Oh, you collecting firewood for us?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. All right, we gotta go get our sleeping bags. I'm getting my air mattress, my sleeping pad, maybe get one for the older girls, but we gotta go get our stuff, get our beds all set up, and then we're gonna do a little bonfire action. Bonfire or campfire, what do you call it? Drop it in the comments. All right. Pillow. Air mattress. Dad's air mattress. We'll bring this. Now we gotta go find the girls' sleeping bags. Sleeping bags. Good job, Kens.
I'll help you.
Sure.
That's my bed.
Oh my goodness. Okay, watch out here. Let's put our carpet down. We'll do one here, two. Oh, got a mosquito in here already. There it is. That's my sleeping bag, Mace. Thanks. Ah, when your toddler brings your pillow up for you. Thanks. I guess they're not too dirty.
I'm gonna have to get Cutie and
I want Kenny right here.
Okay, baby. Oh, okay.
Okay, guys. So I'm always annoyed when like my sleeping bag is super slippery and it like slides off the mat. So I put the mat in it, and it's perfect because my pillow will go here, and then I can just slide right in and zip it up so that I don't move around.
There you go.
Camping hack.
Camping hack. Kenny, where are you sleeping? Where's your spot?
And then that's my butt.
Right there.
Me lotion.
Oh, that's good
And
to have.
a pair of socks.
Oh, that's good to have.
No, we go camping. A s'mores. And get camping.
You want to go camping? You want to sleep in here tonight, Kenny?
Yeah.
All right, so this is a little bit of a hybrid camping. We did a camping trip with all of the family, but we used the camper, and the girls did all right in that, but the younger two, Macy has slept in a tent once. She was about 2. That was the night it got down to 20 degrees. We got cold. She was fine because she was in my heavy bag. And Kenzie, the littlest one, has not slept in a tent yet, but we want to do some more tent camping. So this is a great way to introduce kids, toddlers to camping, even the older two, kind of getting them back into the swing a little bit. I mean, if you look here, I mean, it looks like, hey, we're out in the trees, but then you look right there over my shoulder, we got Grandma and Grandpa's house. Sleeping with just the bare necessities in there. We'll do a little bonfire here tonight, roast some s'mores, probably hang out in the tent when it gets dark, maybe watch a little show or something, and then get to bed, and we'll see how they all sleep. They'll probably sleep good. We'll see how Dad sleeps. Bring it out to the tent. Where are all the girls at? Thought for sure they were out here. Ah, they're crazy. Hey, get out of my bed, Kenny. All right. I found this at Walmart. I wasn't looking for it, but I found it. And they had it priced at $25. I was like, oh, it's gotta be a typo. Brought it up to the front and asked them if they could do a price check on there for me, and sure enough, it came up at $25. So I scooped it up real quick, and it's been an awesome little camping table. It's all aluminum, it's sturdy. Cedar shakes, fantastic kindling. These are some of my favorite fire starters. Got them at Menards up here, but made in Minnesota. So this fire is called the reverse fire method, I think. I actually just saw it on YouTube not too long ago. You basically put your big stuff on the bottom, stack it all up, which I kind of did, and then you get your kindling and everything and let it burn on top. So in theory, while it's burning, let me get my pointer. While this part is burning, it's kind of drying and prepping the middle section, and then the heat transfers down to your bigger logs, which is also supposed to help them get ready. And then it also should provide good charcoal if you need to do some cooking, which we're not doing any cooking. We're just roasting marshmallows, but we are still going to try that theory out to see how well this reverse fire works. So we're all going to try and sleep out in the tent. Mom, are you going to try and sleep in the tent tonight?
You know, it's Father's Day. I would hate to intrude.
Yeah,
but
we'll leave the queen in the castle tonight.
If you really need me.
The queen.
A princess queen.
Are you a princess, Mace?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, let Maddie help you, okay? Oh, easy, girl. Are you gonna make a sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to get this gold. I want cookie.
You don't want it? You just want a marshmallow?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, you just gotta bring it a little bit closer, Mace, and then just keep moving it around, okay?
Okay. Oh, my freaking.
Oh, man.
Powerful God, awesome, wonderful God. When He speaks, all nature will bow to our mighty, powerful God.
That's about s'mores perfection.
She remembered us.
Oh, I have marshmallow. Ready?
Mommy, come sit right here.
Got a Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Kenny. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, your leaves are so crispy.
Firework!
All right, so this is what we call fireworks.
Big one. Firework!
We find some nice crispy pine branches and throw them on the fire.
Firework!
How are those fireworks, Mace?
Epic!
That was epic. Kenny, you like that?
Epic!
Epic. Call these two the marshmallow bandits. How many marshmallows have you had, Mace?
About 4 or 5.
Sometimes you just make your own stars. That's cool, Mace. Okay. Nice. Mom. There it is. It's right there, Kenny. Yep. You see it? God is so big and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. Alright, well, an update on the fire. It worked pretty well. Kind of like that way of building it, so I'll probably use that again in the future. But now, I gotta go find some kids. Ready or not, here I come. I hear something. Ta-da! Oh, there's
Hey! You're for the find
there's
us.
Kenzie and Mama. There's something behind this, Kenny.
Macy's flashlight.
It's a
hit
Macy.
it. Macy's flashlight hit the middle thing.
All right, we're having some trouble locating Maddie. Let's go check by the garden. Hi, Kenny.
And then we can check it with some of the
Oh, There's something on the trampoline. There's something on the tramp. Aha! We found her.
Oh, that's bright.
We found her, Kenny. Well, we missed our window on getting this one to bed, so she's gonna be in the house tonight. Okay, Kenny, here you go. Nookie. All right. Well, we're in the tent, laying down. There's Maddie, Macy, Mayla back there. All right, guys, it's late. It's about 11:15. We lost 2 of them during the movie, but we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna put the camera up, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, Mace.
Good morning, Ted.
Good morning, girls. Good morning, guys. I ended up getting a little bit chilly last night. My toes are pretty cold right now. How are you, Mads?
I was cold last
She
night.
was cold. Macy would look probably the best.
She was in the middle.
I kept blankets on her. But as you can see, we have been greeted by the sun. It came out. Well, I was up at 4:45 and it was already light. So, all right. Once we get out of bed, we're gonna make some campfire donuts. But we might really cheat and make stovetop donuts. Oh, an absolutely beautiful morning. Good morning, and I know I'm going to be posting this afterwards, but to all the dads out there, happy Father's Day. Hope you guys have a great day.
8 biscuits.
All right, we're going to make some campfire donuts. We're making them in the house. Get yourself some canned biscuits, oil. This might actually work better. Oh. All right, so once you got your donuts formed, get some powdered sugar. Get your oil heated up. Oh, yeah, she's ready. Drop your donuts in. Two minutes on each side is usually pretty good.
Ooh, deep fried donut.
All right, first batch is coming out. All right, grab your baking powder sugar.
Deep fried donut.
Get some powdered sugar on them. It's like a buttermilk donut with that dough.
Deep fried donut.
Let's go check on Macy, see what she thinks of them. Well, Mace, how's your campfire deep fried donut? Ooh, that's a big thumbs up.
Is it good?
Best ones yet. Here comes the Kenny monster. Good morning, Kenny. Ooh, we just lost ya. Let's see what Kenzie thinks.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's a little bit messy. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I was.
It's not Valentine's Day. Thanks, Mace. I love it. Look,
What is she supposed to do to it, Mace?
she made a little barbecue pit and it's got her hands for the fire.
Macy,
Are those your little paws?
Yeah.
Yeah.
what is he supposed to do to it?
Hold on, kids. Dad, you are flippin' awesome. Love, Macy.
Mace?
Thanks, Mace. All right. Oh, and this one's from Maddie. Happy Father's Day. You are the best dad ever. I love you. Kenny, it's a toolbox. That's cool, Mads. I like that.
Thanks.
Hug.
Got a little toolbox.
Father's Day.
Little toolbox. Oh, and Mayla's here. I don't need chat GTP. My dad knows everything. Happy Father's Day. Oh, Mayla. I love you, Dad and Mayla. She wrote Happy Father's Day and then crossed it out and wrote Father on the bottom. Dad, the OG chat GTP.
Yeah.
Daddy said.
Oh.
French fries?
Yeah.
I love French fries.
I made the car.
You made it. Should we see what it says? Dad, you are the best outdoor boy. The best dad ever. The best camping buddy. Best egg fryer.
Yeah. Then Macy went fluff.
Macy wants rough up.
That's up.
Wipe out. Okay, Kenny. With the diaper. Got her with the diaper.
Yeah! We got Daddy. We got Daddy. Daddy. No, I get Daddy. Waffle.
Oh, you question me, kids. We're all done.
No. Never.
Got breakfast outside this morning. Some pan bread, eggs, and bacon. Mayla and Mom put it together for me. You need more eggy?
Bacon.
Bacon?
Yeah.
Come on.
Do you want more eggy?
I'm good. All right, time to tear down camp. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed doing some camping, having a bonfire, having the campfire. Let me know what you call it in the comments. And enjoying that time with family, sitting around the fire is always just awesome. It was a great way to end Father's Day and give you a little bit of a glimpse into what life is like over here with being a dad to 4 beautiful daughters. They keep me on my toes, they keep me going, and I love them, and I'm super thankful that I'm able to be their dad. And again, to all the other dads and fathers out there, I hope you guys also had a wonderful day. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like on there. Head on over to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn that bell on so you get notified, and we will see you guys on the next one. All right, take care and God bless. All right, one more thing. Make sure you guys stay tuned because hopefully the next video that's coming out is going to be a great one. I took a 3-day trip on the North Shore from Duluth all the way up to Canada. I saw some awesome places, made a lot of stops, which had the family been with me, I would not have been able to do. So I took full advantage of stopping a lot and checking out places. But you're not going to want to miss this one. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and leave a comment about your favorite part. And then if you want to see more videos, make sure to check out our channel for other camping videos, family adventure videos, and how we built our own off-grid cargo trailer camper. Make sure to subscribe and then hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when we post new videos. We share every Saturday morning and every other Thursday afternoon. And keep an eye out for the random short videos that might get posted. Thanks for watching, and please share the channel if you know someone else who might enjoy this as well. See you on the next adventure.